Good night guys, bago kami matulog, bago magtulog Natalia, mag-drawing muna. Write your name because Lunes, going to school na, start na yung school mo. Ha? Are you excited? Are you excited going to school? Excited na siya mag-school. So, first day of school, next week, Monday. Ano yung drawing? Anong drawing yan? Anong drawing? Show mo. Say, face. Oh, write your name. Tapos number.
I think no.
You know? Dali. Alam mo naman isulat yung pangalan mo, di ba? Pati number. Ito yung bag nang nabili, oh. Ito pa talaga napili niya. Cute, ano? Si Unicorn. Pili siya ng bag. Very good yan sa school. Mag-very good ikaw sa school. Very good ikaw sa school, ha?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Joker face.
What?
Joker face again.
You mo?
Everything.
You drawing ikaw ng face. Ito, face. Gandahan mo. Kasing ganda mo. Gandahan mo yung drawing.
Mommy, look ko shiny.
Shiny. Diba? Ayaw mo matulog? Gusto mo magsulat mo na? Liwiti po talaga yan. Ano yan? Oy, ito.
What did you do?
Alin na. Kinaantok na
It
ako.
didn't work. Didn't work, Ma. Mama, it didn't work.
Work. Asan na yung yellow? Daan. Wala na yung candy mo.
Opo, ubos na.
Tomorrow na lang, B. Gusto ko na matulog.
Mommy!
Tomorrow na ba?
My shape, yun!